members of the Presidency, authorities, distinguished guests. I am delighted to be joining you today to accept, on behalf of the International Rice Research Institute, the 2010 BBVA Foundation of Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the Development Cooperation category. And congratulations not just to all the other laureates from the other categories, but indeed to all of those who've been nominated for their work in these awards' support. The BBVA Foundation is playing an important role in highlighting the impact and value of science, the arts, and the environment, and I would personally like to thank it and all of those who represent and work for it, including the juries who are here this evening. Rice is the most important crop of the world's poor, feeding more than 3 billion people every day. It is the staple food for people across Asia, where more than 60% of the world's poor and undernourished live. Rice is also becoming increasingly important in Africa and Latin America. It is clear that rice will be part of any equation to address issues of food security, hunger, and poverty. And IRRI's purpose is clear: apply the best science to increase the productivity of rice, improve the livelihood of rice farmers while maintaining affordable supplies for consumers, especially the poor. We also strive to maintain this growth while protecting the ability of rice lands to provide food for generations to come. World rice supplies have largely kept pace with growing demand because of the contributions of science to sustainable productivity growth. This was made possible in part because of the research achievements of IRRI and our partners. Our research investments over 50 years span the range of biological, physical, and social dimensions of science, and we are grateful to BBVA for recognizing our contributions. The prize will be used to support 2 new exciting research areas. We will initiate studies to better understand the biology of flowering that should lead to increased seed production. We will also begin study of the biology of a new disease that threatens rice worldwide. We are particularly excited to be receiving this award from the BBVA Foundation that supports the social objectives of BBVA. This example of social responsibility should inspire other large companies, particularly banks, I hope, to reward creativity in the many areas that improve the social welfare and quality of human life. Likewise, I hope that this recognition of IRRI's contributions will serve to inspire all of those working in the agricultural sciences to continue their often overlooked work to improve the condition of some of the world's poorest people.